What is Travis CI build matrix feature? It allows CI parallelization, basically allows you to run parallel jobs. And thanks to that, you could run combination of various configuration sets on the Travis on multiple jobs. So you can test your project with, I don't know, maybe different version of some library or with different configuration of your environment variables. And we could leverage that to actually run your whole test suite and split this test suite across the parallel jobs. And to do that, we'll use the library called Knapsack Pro, which works with Ruby and JavaScript, and it will take care of splitting your tests. So the very simple idea is that on the Travis CI, we have configuration in Travis YAML file, and in this configuration, we specify the command to run the Knapsack Pro library, for instance, to run rspec test, cucumber. Also, if you would like to run like JavaScript tests, you could run your tests with Cypress end-to-end test runner, or maybe with Jest for your JavaScript unit tests. And the very basic idea is that you can split the tests in a way that each parallel job, I will call it CI node, will just ask the API to consume just only a set of tests from the queue. And there are like parallel jobs running at the same time, and they're asking the queue and consuming some tests from there. And thanks to that, all parallel jobs will finish work at the same time, and there will be like no bottleneck, no wait time for the very lagging, slow CI node, the slow job on the Travis. And this is the big picture how it works. Yeah, if you would like to learn more about just build matrix and what else it allows, you can find this Travis CI documentation useful. Also, there is article with the whole steps, like all steps, what to do to set up the Knapsack Pro, and there is also description about the edge cases that the dynamic tests allocation with the queue mode in Knapsack Pro can help solve. There's also a nice example of open source project called Consul. They are using Travis CI and build matrix feature with the Knapsack Pro. And we can just jump and look at their recent builds. For instance, they have pretty large test suite, like almost hour, and they're running this across 2 parallel jobs, and thanks to that, they have faster builds. Yeah, so this is like very high overview what is possible with the Travis CI build matrix feature, and yeah, I hope you will like it, and please leave a comment. Maybe you have some questions or ideas. You can also check the Knapsack Pro homepage at knapsackpro.com and check one of our supported test runners with your project. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.